In this coding challenge, I will write a function to check if a number is divided by 5 using the C language. It's mean in this I will write a program that I need to tell the user to give me a number. For example, here he give me the number 15, and this program check if the number is divided by 5. He put me 1, and if the number is not divided by 5, he put me 0. For example, 2. If he put the number 2, 2 is not divided by 5. The program puts on the screen 0, but if the number is divided by 5, the program puts on the screen 1. Let's go write the code and to check the result. Before start the code, let's put the map of our code. First of all, I need to declare a function, new function. It's divided to check if the number is divided by 5. This function, I need now to use the if as statement to check if the number is divided by 5 or not. It's if number modulo 5 equal to 0. It's mean the number is divided by 5. Else the number is not divisible by 5. Next step, I need to write the main function. In the main function, I need to tell the user to give me a number using the printf function and scanf function. Later, I need to check the result. If the number is divisible by 5, the program gives me the number 1, and if the number is not divisible by 5, he gives me 0. Let's start now with hashtag include studio.h, and now let's write a function to check if a number is divided by 5. It's an integer. The function is divisible by 5. And let's declare the number, integer num. Now I will open the braces and I need to use the if-else statement to check if the number is divisible by 5 or not. If the number is modulo 5 is equal to 0, return 1. It's mean if the number is modulo 5 equal to 0, it's mean it's the number is divisible by 5, return 1. Else return 0. It's mean the number is not divisible by 5. Now let's go to the main function, integer main. I need to declare the number, integer number. Now let's tell the user to give me a value of this number using the printf enter a number. Scanf %d because it's an integer and number. Now let's display the result on the screen using the if else also. If divisible by 5, printf %d, the number is divisible by 5. Else the number is not divisible by 5. And finally, return 0. Let's now run our code to show the result. Enter a number, for example, 2. 2 is not divisible by 5. For example, another number, 10. 10 is divisible by 5. This is our C code to write a function to check if a number is divisible by 5 or not.